to the back.
Trouble. Around goes Tony Stewart, turn one.
I think he made contact with Dale Jr. and cut a tire down. They're back in here. Yeah, right back here is the 88 and you see right there they make contact. Actually, I think Tony might have gotten into Dale Jr. and that's what cut the tire down.
Watch how close he comes to catching that wall right there. Oh, wow. He may have just skimmed it, but I'm telling you, he was headed for it in a hurry.
Too close.
They were just coming down the front straightaway here, and we've seen it time and time again. They've made it all day long, but this time it just didn't quite have enough room. And right there, almost like they zigged and zagged.
Boy, as he spun, his right rear almost gathered Dale Earnhardt Jr. in 88 with him.
Look at these guys. Everybody scatters and only one car incident. Hard to believe.
Well, Dale Earnhardt Jr. brings it home 14th, and it seemed like your car was really good on the long runs, Junior, especially the middle of the race. But you ended up getting together with the 14. What exactly happened there?
I don't know. You have to ask him. He hit me in the left rear quarter panel. I was trying to clear the 51 on the outside of me, so I was as high as I could go. Just have to ask him.
Thanks, Junior.
Yeah.